Welcome to the Nitrous development environment. I am asking you to use Nitrous simply because it allows making sure that we're all using the same installed software, using the same platform, and you don't have to worry about doing any system administration setup. Unfortunately, the way Rails and Ruby are set up, they kind of interact poorly with a multi-user environment that we want to set up here at Taylor. They're much more set up for you install it on your machine and you're the only one who uses it on your machine, which works for most developers. They don't share their machine with other people, but doesn't work at Taylor. So we're going to be using Nitrous. There's a lot here that should be familiar, but I want to show you a few things here. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to where I have some code at Nitrous, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the Rails server. And this should look familiar to you from some other videos. You can see that it started up the Rails server on port 3000 right here, but it's not localhost anymore. It's somewhere else at Nitrous, wherever that it might be, on whatever machine it might be. So the way that you can access the Rails server with Nitrous is you go to this preview tab here and you pick port 3000 instead. So when you click on that, it opens up a new page and you get the default Rails page. And you can, if you want, I don't know if I've got this set up yet, do things like go to the user's controller, the index action, and you can see that we don't have any users installed right now. So you can modify the URL as you need to if you need to go to a specific part of your application from that. And you can see from the log that's output here that you get all the output from the Rails server if you want. A lot of students, what they do is they'll use multiple tabs and just put their Rails server in the background right there. And so here they've got a shell and they can do things like go into the code and figure out what's going on in that location and edit files and move files, do git operations from here, and they still have the Rails server running like they need to. Many students don't want to edit through here because it's a small window, but you can. If I show you, I'll make it a little bit bigger here. You can edit things like the routes configuration, and I'm running VI just like you normally can. I make changes and so forth, and it's normal VI operations here. So you can use that. But what a lot of students like to do instead is use the visual tool. So if I go into here and I go to that same file here, it brings up a new tab here, and I can edit it just like I want to. I have nice color coding, highlighting. It's all your normal GUI where I can click here, move here, do things, do cut and paste, and so forth. And so it's really easy to be able to access all the different files that I need to in here. So this is how you can get around within your Nitrous environment. If you do everything that we show in the videos, either on the command line or in this editor, and use this preview tab, you should be able to get everything working like we want you to.